Today we're unboxing the Solo Stove Bonfire Cookout Kit Bundle with the cast iron grill. I'm Johnny, you're watching A View to a Grill. When you get the Bonfire Cookout Grill Kit Bundle, it comes with the cookout kit and a Solo Stove smokeless bonfire fire pit. Now separately, I went ahead and got the cast iron griddle as well. Let's go ahead, get this out of the box so you can see what we're dealing with. Now when I was trying to decide which side was up, I really couldn't. I didn't see a sign that said which side was up, so I ended up going with this. And there it is, everything packed amazingly well. I often wonder how they fit so much stuff in such a small box. A couple of first impressions: the shelves are heavier than they look, and the charcoal adapter, the steel and the grates are really thick, so it should last a long time. To make everything easier on me, I just went ahead, unboxed all the parts, and set them on my table just so I can get to them easily. And then finally, here's the cast iron grate that came with this cookout kit. And then here's a nice little surprise: very little hardware. And I like to see that. That means there's not a lot of stuff to put together. Then in the instruction manual, you'll see an inventory list, and you can go ahead and make sure you have everything that you should have in the box. First thing we'll do is assemble our legs. Now they come numbered. You just match the numbers, and then this little area right here slides in that little T-shaped bracket. For this, you'll be using the fully threaded nuts. Just make sure your numbers match, and then screw those in with a Phillips head screwdriver, and you just want to tighten these up snugly. Next, we can assemble our crossbars, and we're going to be using the half-threaded screws or nuts for these. And then again, you don't want to screw these on super tight, just snugly so you don't strip the threads. And then here's the reason why you want to use those half-threaded screws. It is just so that you can easily slide the shelves up and down. Alright, the shelves are on and they seem to be working just fine. Now we can install the fabric panels, and when you're installing the crossbars for those fabric panels, you just have to bend them a little bit and then they snap right in place. And these fabric panels are really on there tight. Just stretch them out until they're flat. So that is it for the cookout kit. Now we can get our bonfire ready so we can install that into the Solo Stove cookout kit. The bonfire comes with this really nice cover, a flame ring, and then inside the box you have this removable base plate and an ash pan. For the bonfire, you're not going to need any tools. In order to place the bonfire into the cookout kit, you're going to need to lower those little rubber kickstands in the cookout kit. Now you can just place the bonfire on top of those little rubber kickstands. And now we'll get the ash pan back in, and then we can get the removable base plate back in. Once you're done with that, now we can place in our charcoal adapter. And then the last thing we need to do is set in our cast iron grill grates. Alright, there we go. It looks pretty awesome. You can see there's a lot of space in between the cast iron grill grates and the grate of the charcoal adapter. So we'll need a pretty nice fire in order to cook. Now don't forget, I also had the griddle delivered to me, and here's what that looks like when it's installed. Now also, in case you didn't know, you have two different heights you can set this on. So right now it's at its lowest position, and then once you extend the legs, you can get it to its highest position, and that's what this is right here. And then I told you it had a cover earlier, but it's actually a carrying case. But I'm going to turn it upside down and use it as a bonfire cover. I mean, it works. Now, if you're considering getting one of these, take a look in my comment section. I'll have a pinned comment where I point out all the sales that are currently going on. And then, unfortunately, today I won't be able to fire this thing up because, yeah. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to View to a Grill, I think you should. Go ahead, do that right now. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.